17 February. It's a Saturday, and we're going to rush to a sorting area because one of our parcel got delayed, and we're going to pick up one very special pair of sneaker. I'm very excited for this pair because this was released maybe during the third quarter of 2023. So that was released via Nike Air SNKRS only for women, so the sizes are too small, but now they've released like sizes good for men, so that is quite famous. And definitely that is not the future is equal. That is not the JDI Dubre with the inverted Nike Air, and definitely not the overhyped Panda. The overhyped Panda. The overhyped Panda.
Okay, let's go.
Now we got our parcel. Yeah, so it's kind of busted. Whenever you have this kind of Aramex and something like there's a packaging tape, clear tape, if it is replaced by a clear tape, it means that it was opened by the custom. If it's still the brown tape, it means Aramex open it and they reseal it. So usually I receive something like white clear tape. It means that the custom opened it and checked. Because of the frequent parcel that's coming to my address, they are now checking. So this is our Nike Dunk special edition, women's release, but in men's size. We will open it later. Meanwhile, let's have some Thai food. So this one is a minced duck, okay, a northeastern food. And we have the mu yang, nga yang. So mu is pork and nga is beef. And of course the som tamamwang, the mango salad, and very spicy som tam. Let's try this one. Spicy. You know, food here, if you say not spicy, it's still spicy. Let's go somewhere to sit and unbox this one. Then one caramel cappuccino. And blueberry cheesecake. So it's time to unbox this one. finally they release it with bigger sizes that fits the men. So first, of course, this is the Nike Air Dunk. Día de Muerto. Día de Muerto, la familia. Viva la México. As I told you, this is very interesting and unique. Okay, sought after pair. This is not the Panda. This is not the futuristic equal. This is not the JDI. This is the Familia. Okay, pink wrapper. Let's try. So for my size of 10 US, for women's size, this is 11.5.
Okay, let's go.